Hello everybody, David here from High Green Productions. Merry Christmas everybody. December 25th. You know, uh, today I do a quick video as to what I got. I had an incredible Christmas haul. Show you guys, for not only Railfan, the model railroad, but it's mainly for the model railroad. One thing I'd like you guys to do though, however, is put what you got in the comment section for your rail fanning part of your Christmas or your train or your Christmas. I'd love to hear it. Be phenomenal to hear. Anyways, let's go through this and let's take a look. So first, starting with model trains, this is one of the newer cars I got. I've wanted an auto rack for a while, except I really haven't had the curves to do it. So I was like, curves with a good enough radius to do it. For the west end is being put back together. This is a Athearn Blue Box auto rack, I believe. It's from the very early 2000s. It looks really good, to be honest. It's got Katy couplers. Really good. I got a Scale Trains -9 here. And that's number 9672. I am going to do some work to this engine. I need to replace the horn piece and the horn sound file. I was expecting it to come with the K5LLA horn file and the sound piece as they said on Scale Trains, and it didn't. Not very happy about that, if you ask me. It actually has a Transtronic, it came with a Transtronic bell and a K5LA horn, the really warbly one, but I'll play it real quick if you guys want to hear it, so. Not complaining, it's a great looking engine, not gonna lie. Alright, let's move on. Alright, getting to the foamer gear. This is stuff I wear. There's another shirt, I just didn't have room to fit it onto this platform here. It's a teacher saying, warning, I may spontaneously talk about trains. That is literally me. And then, I don't always stop and look at trains. Oh, wait, yes, I do. That is literally me. If I see a green signal, or an advanced approach, or whatever at Updike, I'll be like, stop, let's see a train. And normally that's the case. There's another one that says, ferroquinologist, fancy word for a rail fan, so kind of like, the scientist thing for a rail fan. But, of course, I'm saving the best for last. So you may have noticed in the title I put, please watch, this is also an update video. This is about the Q&A part, sort of. I'm also answering 2 questions from the Q&A. I had a problem editing it, and at one point I'm just going to show my face and me answering the questions and not do like a narration. I'll just answer the questions manually. As that'll be a little easier so I can get it out faster. I apologize for the delay on that. And I'm answering actually 2 questions for it right now because I got these for Christmas. Why do I get my train symbols wrong all the time? Well, it's because my scanner broke. And also, it wasn't a very good one. So I got the enhanced brand new version of my old scanner. This is a Baofeng UV5RE scanner. This one's waterproof, even though I'm not really going to do anything with water with this. So I think we're good. When the old one was not, it's got a silver finish. It's very, very good. I heard with, taking damage, it does not take any at all, because this finish is almost like, I heard it's almost bulletproof. It's a really good kind of like steel almost. It's a nice silver finish, not gonna lie, look, you can see me in there. How fun is that? And then I have a diamond antenna. Don't know where I put it, but it's right. And another one of the questions I got was, why don't I use a tripod? Well, I had to get a new one. Ta-da! This here is the mother of all tripods. This is an Eagle One fluid head tripod. If I remember correctly, and I'm 95% sure, this is the same tripod that very popular Florida rail fan, aka YouTuber, Distant Signal, or Danny Harmon. This is the same one that he uses. It's a fluid head. This is incredible. And my dad got this for me. I was not expecting this. My old one broke. And the one before that had a problem with its legs, I think, and it's just, they didn't work. And no, I'm not referencing like the, oh, your legs don't work like they used to before, like that meme. No, I'm not referencing that. It's incredible. This is the same one that Danny Harmon uses. Like I said, I'm like 95% sure. Not gonna lie though, it looks kind of funny though. It's just this little dinky camcorder on this. Anyways, if I don't see you guys before New Year's, have a happy New Year, everybody. And I'll see you guys in January 2021. High Green Productions. Clear whatever the milepost is on this set of track 1 out.